Okay, I'm a scrapbooker, so this is not my usual video, but I'm having to open a can today without my husband, and I really have a hard time. Now, today, this one I can get my thumbnail underneath it, but sometimes I can't. So I will do this to get it started. And then I can usually get to this. I have a real hard time. Oh, now it's actually pulling up. But the last one, I could not even pull it up. So I took my spatula, put it underneath here, and that was the easiest I ever got to open up a can. Voila. My chicken for chicken salad.